What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick update from our CEO, RJ Garbowich. He gave us an update last night about the direction of the company. All right, and he gave a little update to the rewards program as well. So he's saying that thousands of people, of new members, are joining every day. All right, so he wanted to give quick tips for creating success on Webtalk. And so one of the tips was the people who are earning the most from Webtalk Rewards are the ones building their following. So pretty much referring people for free, right? Posting great content daily and inviting contacts to join Webtalk to grow their following, ultimately building a book of business with Webtalk Rewards while you are building up your audience in Webtalk as well. So you could earn up to 10% of revenue generated from your post. All right, just simply posting on Webtalk every day, and when you invite your contacts, they will earn 10% of revenue generated from their content, and so will you. If your referrals upgrade to Pro, you also earn 10% residual commissions for as long as they remain customers. If you are part of the 1 million, the first 1 million to refer a Pro customer, you will automatically be awarded the 5-level bonus every month that you retain at least one customer of referral. This bonus pays you 10% revenue share through 5 levels. Right? If you upgrade your own Pro, your own personal Webtalk account to a Pro account, it does count as your one sale qualifier. So if you upgrade yourself to Pro, you automatically qualify for the 5 levels deep referral program. So that's good. All right. This is the fastest and easiest way to lock in the 5-level bonus. And you could upgrade to Pro for free for 7 days. All right. By clicking the link below in the description. And right now we are targeting March for the launch of our new rewards app, which will offer a new $5 sign-up bonus for enrolling in Webtalk Rewards, as well as a $5 sign-up bonus for all the referrals, which will apply through 5 levels if you have earned the 5-level bonus. All right, and this is retroactive. The new rewards app will also offer the ability to get paid via PayPal, along with other great tools that help you create more successful Webtalk. Now, if you are interested, go ahead and click on the link below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel.